detail with the names of the specific academics, with when they went over there, with the schools in Germany where they were taught. All that's in the authoritarians. This is part of the story people don't understand. They haven't heard this. And we need to understand where we have this clash. Most people